There we go, we're coming along with the Sydney Opera House. I can't do any more. It's all going over my head.
Now,
So remember, it's got to look like this. Sorry. It's got to look like that. And it's getting there. Looking good. Got to push all those little pieces out.
little pieces that were in there.
Yeah. So those things that are
Paper.
sticking up, the paper ones, that hooks it in.
It helps secure it so it doesn't collapse. And that's what we're trying to do. And that goes in that line. So it'll take the weight away there. And the leaves start going in. I don't think I get another one. Not this
No.
anyway.
This is way beyond. This is not something we should be doing locked in solitaire together. It wasn't something that brought us together.
Solitary. I'd rather go to death row than about solitary.
So I've left it all up to him now, because he's got the patience of a saint. Not really. Not if you're trying to help him. And we even have to sticky tape it.
Oh, I stick that because it's in the middle. I didn't want it falling apart and pulling like
Yeah.
it just did. Just trying to give it a bit of support because this is flimsy stuff, this sponge.
But we'll get there. We're going to look like that very soon. He's laughing.
Oh my god. Oh, I'll be able to sing opera by the time I finish this.
And I'll be able to dance.
Dance. Boogie woogie.
So,
3 there. Oh my god. Well, that might as well fit in there and help strengthen it, I suppose. I don't think the original builders had as much problem with doing the opera house.
I
and
actually
that was a
said
big
that.
job.
I said this is taking as long as Nelly and as difficult as the real opera house.
I worked at a house, well, converting a house in North Sydney into units. The next door neighbour was the guy who designed this opera house. He lived there while it was being built. I forget his name, he was Swedish or something. Wasn't he? But he actually lived in the house next door while the whole of the opera house was being built.
I actually think it's the most ugliest building I've ever seen in my life, but I'm allowed to say that because I'm an Australian.
I think it's brilliant. It's unique.
But
It's unique.
it is unique.
There's not another one in the world, let's put it that way.
No.
Not that
No.
there ever will be.
Look, when it lights up at night in Sydney,
beautiful.
it is absolutely amazing. This one will not be lighting up unless we set it on fire.
That's what happened.
And that may happen before completion. So, but yes, when the real one lights up, check it out on YouTube. Lighting of the Sydney Opera House. It is absolutely beautiful. So this is looking down on it. So you get the idea. So maybe over the long weekend the sales may go up.
Well, they're made, they just got to go up.
Yeah, they're all made. I've showed that in my last video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, okay then, if you could share my page, I'd much appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. Bye.